Animal Science Products, an industry leader in the production of animal health and nutritional products, is revolutionizing the way poultry producers worldwide vaccinate their flocks. Through scientific advances in vaccine stabilization, ASP is giving poultry producers the ability to achieve better immunization, higher production, and ultimately greater financial returns.
Since our founding in 1985, Animal Science Products has led the way in product innovation, product quality, and customer service.
It's this dedication that drove ASP to invest considerable time and resources into developing better, more technologically advanced levels of vaccine protection. Animal Science Products is proud to introduce you to the ASP family of vaccine stabilizers. Vaccines are extremely fragile and must be protected from a number of destructive conditions. The three most prevalent conditions that jeopardize vaccines, also known as the triple threat, are oxidizers, pH imbalances, and low tonicity within the vaccine delivery solution. Most poultry producers still rely on antiquated methods that are proven to be costly, labor-intensive, and relatively ineffective. These methods impair a producer's ability to properly vaccinate his flock.
ASP has dedicated over 15 years to the research and development of a superior line of vaccine stabilizers, specifically designed to counteract the triple threat. These efforts have paid off, and we're proud to introduce three revolutionary vaccine stabilizers: VacPack Plus, SprayVac, and OptiVac, the next generation of vaccine stabilizers.
Understanding how the triple threat affects vaccines is crucial to understanding the significant role the ASP family of stabilizers plays in proper vaccination. The first threat is oxidizers within the water source. Oxidizers, such as chlorine, are found in local water supplies and are necessary components for fighting a wide variety of harmful materials, such as groundwater contaminants and bird-to-bird waterborne diseases. Chlorine, along with other oxidizing elements, has also been proven to impair the livability of vaccines and therefore must be counteracted in water to help achieve proper flock immunization. All of the products in the ASP family of vaccine stabilizers are manufactured using Animal Science Products' advanced technologies, specifically designed to stabilize vaccines against water oxidizers. The second threat to vaccine stability is pH imbalances. Often, producers will use distilled water instead of tap water to avoid the damaging effects of chlorine. What they typically overlook is that distilled water poses another threat to vaccines. Distilled water has a naturally occurring pH of around 5.2. This is far below what industry experts agree to be the optimal range or sweet spot pH level of 7.8 for maximum vaccine effectiveness. Due to this acidic pH level, distilled water can actually reduce vaccines unless properly stabilized. Studies show that vaccines have 6 times the survival rate when in solutions that are within the pH sweet spot.
All of the ASP stabilizers use a sophisticated buffering system to protect vaccines from pH levels that are outside of the sweet spot.
The last of the triple threat is low tonicity or osmolarity. When a vaccine diluent solution contains low tonicity, it is referred to as hypotonic. This condition is especially harmful when it occurs in solutions where electrolytes are in short supply. Whole cell vaccines in hypotonic solutions, like distilled water, adapt to the imbalances in electrolytes by absorbing water through their outer membranes. This absorption continues until the cell ruptures, leaving behind only ineffective cell debris.
The ASP family of vaccine stabilizers improves tonicity by providing an electrolyte balanced solution, which ensures vaccine stability and improves the entire flock's immunization.
VacPack Plus was designed for the most common method of administering vaccines through the bird's drinking water. This technologically advanced alternative to traditional milk proteins and effervescent tablets is a highly concentrated powder that dissolves instantly, delivers 100% ultimate solubility, is immediately effective, and contains no animal proteins. Thanks to VacPack Plus's advanced wetting capabilities, which allow it to dissolve instantly at 100% solubility, the producer is able to begin vaccination immediately. This example illustrates how VacPack Plus stabilizes vaccines against oxidizers with as little as 100 grams of VacPack Plus per 1,000 liters of water while ensuring 100% vaccine. Effervescing tablets and powders create imbalances in pH levels due to the acids used for the effervescing process. VacPack Plus, on the other hand, corrects pH to its optimal levels for immunization. In short, no effervescing tablet, powder, or milk protein product available offers the quality of pH balance as that delivered by VacPack Plus. SprayVac was developed for a process that is growing in popularity. Producers use fine mist sprayers to inoculate the birds through their mucosal membranes. SprayVac, like all ASP-Vaccine Stabilizers, not only helps to overcome improper pH levels and low tonicity, but it also enables the producer to use less expensive water directly from his local water supplies. Studies have proven that SprayVac can correct pH levels as low as 5 and as high as 9, levels far more extreme than those most producers will experience in their own water supplies. With SprayVac, poultry producers can now immunize their flocks more efficiently, at lower costs, and with better results. The newest member of the ASP family of vaccine stabilizers, OptiVac, has been created for use with the highly effective practice of eye drop vaccination. Many poultry producers are moving toward oculonasal vaccine administration due to its superior effectiveness. A significant challenge to this practice is that it is very time-intensive. When rehydrated solutions are unstable, vaccines quickly decline in their potency. The drop-in potency, or drop-in titers, occurs over the period of time it takes to treat the birds one by one. This can result in the later birds not receiving adequate levels of protection. Studies have found that a 50% to 80% loss in vaccine titers occurs in unstable solutions over a 15-minute period. With OptiVac, rehydrated solutions experienced very little titer loss, preventing the vaccine from losing its potency. OptiVac's ability to produce strong, uniform immunity was tested and proven in actual field studies in which vaccine titers were determined from one commercial laying flock that had been vaccinated with spray. Additional data was collected from another flock that had been vaccinated with OptiVac. The results were compared and showed that the birds treated with spray vaccination had weak and inconsistent vaccine titers, while 100% of the birds treated with OptiVac had uniformly strong vaccine titers. This resulted in better, more dependable protection for the flock against exposure to disease.
Regardless of how the producer chooses to vaccinate his flocks, our vaccine stabilizers are designed to help him better immunize and control cost.
The future of the poultry industry depends in large part upon producers' abilities to find new ways of affordably, efficiently, and successfully immunizing their flocks. To learn more about how Animal Science Products is bringing innovative new technologies to the poultry industry, visit them online at www.asp-inc.com. Their friendly and knowledgeable staff is readily available and looking forward to serving you. Animal Science Products, providing ideal solutions every day.